Prioritizing communication goals and setting goals is an important process that can help you improve your communication skills and achieve your desired outcomes in both your personal and professional life. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals and creating a plan for achieving them, you can focus on the goals that are most important and relevant to you and take action to make them a reality. In this video, I will teach you how to identify the areas where you want to improve your communication skills, evaluate the importance and relevance of each goal, prioritize your goals, and create a plan for achieving them. This can help you focus on the goals that are most important and relevant to you and take action to make them a reality. So let's now talk a little bit more about setting goals. Setting goals is an important process that can help you achieve your desired outcomes in both your personal and professional life. It involves identifying what you want to achieve, creating a plan for achieving it, and taking action to make your goals a reality. So here are a few key steps that you can follow when setting your goals. First, you want to identify your values and priorities. In other words, what is most important to you in your life? What do you want to achieve and why? By identifying your values and priorities, you can make sure that your goals are aligned with what is most important to you and help you move closer to the life that you want to live. Then you want to set SMART goals, which are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. A SMART goal is a well-defined and actionable goal that has specific criteria for success and a deadline for completion. By setting SMART goals, you can make sure that your goals are clear, actionable, and achievable. Then you want to create a plan for achieving your goals. Once you've identified your goals and made sure that they are SMART, you can then create a plan for achieving them. And this plan should include specific steps for achieving each goal, as well as deadlines and milestones for completing each step. Then take action and start working towards your goals. Once you have a plan in place, it's time to start taking action to make your goals a reality. This involves following your plan and doing the work needed to achieve your goals. Monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. As you work towards your goals, it's important to track your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your plan. This could involve setting new goals, seeking feedback from others, or finding new resources or support to help you stay on track. By following these steps and staying committed to your goals, you can set and achieve your desired outcomes, whether it be in your personal or professional life. So now you might be wondering, well, what about specifically communication and social skills goals? What are communication skills and social skills goals people have? Communication skills and social skills goals are goals that focus on improving a person's ability to effectively communicate and interact with others. Some examples of communication skills goals include improving listening skills and understanding others' perspectives, developing the ability to clearly and concisely express ideas and thoughts, building confidence in speaking and in presenting to groups, learning how to handle difficult conversations or conflict situations, developing effective written communication skills such as writing emails or reports. And some examples of social skills goals might include building and maintaining healthy relationships with others, developing empathy and understanding others' emotions, improving teamwork and collaboration skills, learning how to effectively manage and resolve conflicts, and developing the ability to read social cues and understand nonverbal communication. By setting and working towards these types of goals, a person can improve their ability to communicate and interact effectively with others, which can be beneficial in both personal and professional contexts. Now you might wonder, how should you prioritize which communication and social skills to focus on first? When prioritizing which communication and social skills to focus on first, it's important to consider your specific needs and goals. Here are some steps you can follow to prioritize your goals. First, identify the areas where you want to improve. So take some time to reflect on your current communication and social skills and identify the specific areas where you want to improve. This could involve asking for feedback from others, taking a skills assessment, or simply thinking about areas where you feel like you could benefit from improvement. Then evaluate the importance and relevance of each goal. Once you've identified the areas where you want to improve, take some time to evaluate the importance and relevance of each goal. Consider how each goal aligns with your values and priorities and how achieving it would benefit you in your personal and professional life. Then prioritize your goals based on their importance and relevance. Once you have evaluated the importance and relevance of each goal, prioritize your goals based on which ones are the most important and most relevant to you. This will help you focus on the goals that will have the greatest impact and benefit for you. Then you want to create a plan for achieving your prioritized goals. Once you have prioritized your goals, create a plan for achieving them. So this could include specific steps for achieving each goal, as well as deadlines and milestones for completing each step. By following these steps and prioritizing your communication and social skills goals, you can focus on the goals that are most important and relevant to you and create a plan for achieving them. All right, so in conclusion, prioritizing communication goals and setting goals is an important process that can help you improve your communication skills and achieve your desired outcomes in both your personal and professional life. By identifying the areas where you want to improve, evaluating the importance and relevance of each goal, prioritizing your goals, and creating a plan for achieving them, you can focus on the goals that are most important and most relevant to you and take action to make them a reality. By following this process and staying committed to your goals, you can improve your communication skills and move closer to the life you want to live. Thank you so much for joining me, Explearners. I really appreciate your spending the time with me. If you enjoyed this lesson, please feel free to show the podcast, the YouTube channel, and our website, explearning.co, some love, and feel free to share it with anyone who wants to improve and upgrade their social skills, communication skills, and their social fluency. Bye, and happy Explearning, everyone. Something very big is going live in January. If you've enjoyed the content we've put out on advanced English and Explearning, then you're going to love what is coming next. If you've wanted an opportunity to meet your fellow Explearners in a welcoming and dynamic environment, then what we have on the horizon is going to be perfect for you. So keep an eye out for more details coming soon, and make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter, which you can find on advancedenglish.co and explearning.co, because that's where you're going to hear it first. All right, see you then.